Hello everyone. Today the world is facing great environmental issues. Animals, plants, and other organisms are at the brink of extinction, posing a significant threat to global biodiversity. Human activities like deforestation, pollution, and illegal hunting have disrupted the ecosystem, leading to unforeseen consequences that can affect food security, climate stability, and even human health. Therefore, protecting endangered species has become our utmost priority in order to preserve the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystem for future generations. Expressing our deep concern for these endangered species, we, the students of Kamal School Hazaribagh, have composed a poem to raise awareness among the people. Here we go.
With gentle fins, they navigate the tide. Ganges dolphins, endangered, gliding with pride. Their habitat fragile, their future unsure. Conservation efforts, their only cure.
Wake, the most intelligent family member of mammal. Don't sleep more, we have to save novel. Again, time has come to prove your intelligence. Take oath to save our monodon member's existence.
Shell of emerald, slow and wise, the green turtle glides. An ocean surprise, through coral depths, she makes her way, a gentle soul in a vibrant bay. Friendly in nature, their heads were held high, but disappearing slowly, saying goodbye. Elephants, a beautiful species, getting lost with time, reminding us that we are the ones responsible for this crime.
Horse that softly land on the ground, and a roar that echoes all around. Royal Bengal tiger is the king, beast of all wonder beholds, with poems and stories untold.
In twilight slow they wander free, with trunks that touch the earth and trees. Their footsteps echo through the ancient leaves, the African forest elephant swaying with the breeze.
Great white shark, the world's largest macropredatory fish, every time eats off its fish. If someone gets bitten, it hurts so much. Would it be able to suffer this much?
In the ocean where grew the poison seeds, the danger grew, and slowly, one by one, the iguanas fade. In nature's balance, a heavy trade.
In shallow streams where grasses sway, the Salt Creek tiger beetle hides away. A life so small, yet struggles great to save its world before too late.
The Central and South of America, the poison dart frog of bright hues, named after the tribal technique of hunting, endangered due to nature's care refused.
All for saving the endangered. Thank you.